Period 4. Society. Today's topic: how inequality happens. In daily life, we see many differences in society. Differences in money, differences in education, and differences in where people live. These differences can become inequality. So, how does inequality happen? There is not just one reason. In sociology, there is an idea: small differences can grow over time. This is called cumulative advantage, or the Matthew effect. It means a small difference at the start can become a big difference later. For example, people in slightly better environments can get more opportunities, and those opportunities bring more opportunities, so the gap becomes bigger. This happens in many places. For example, on the internet, there is something called the network effect. This means a service with many users gets even more users. A small difference becomes a big difference. The same thing happens in education. People with more books and more chances to learn can gain more knowledge. So a small difference becomes a big gap. Now, let's look at history. In India, there is a system called the caste system. It is found in old texts like the Rig Veda. At first, it was about jobs and roles, but over time, it became fixed. People's positions were decided by birth. This made it hard to change their situation. In Europe, there was another system called feudalism. There were landowners and farmers. Landowners had power and money. Farmers had fewer chances, so the gap became bigger. But we should remember this: these systems are not only natural. They were also shaped by religion, politics, and power. So inequality happens from both natural systems and human actions. To summarize, inequality starts from small differences, and it grows over time. These differences can become fixed, and we can see this in history and today. The differences we see are not just results. They are made by accumulation. By understanding this, we can see society differently. Next lesson. Period 5. Chemistry. What is the luminol reaction? How can something invisible become visible with light?